Back to yet another episode of Saturday Kitchen. This week we're cooking a full English in a Ferrari. Sam, what have we got this week?
Well, we've got some beautiful eggs, large of course.
Free range.
Of course they're free range. Organic, lovely.
Brilliant.
We've got some beautiful unsmoked bacon. Unsmoked.
Is it back bacon?
It's a bit back bacon, yes.
Excellent.
Unsmoked, lovely.
What have we got for some refreshments?
We've obviously got some OJ.
With the bits?
With the juicy bits in, obviously.
I've got to have the juicy bits.
The spatula to cook this stuff on. Lovely. The extra virgin olive oil, and Edward knows something a bit about that, don't you? But yeah, hey ho. Mess that up a bit. Ho hum. And then we obviously need our seasoning.
Salt and pepper?
Salt and pepper, or pepper and salt.
Pepper and salt. Depends
Pepper
what kind
and
of person you are. Right,
lovely.
so we've got the oven heating up at the moment. Let's go and cook. Scrambled eggs?
Fry.
I prefer scrambled, so that's what
Well, how scrambled?
Right, come in.
Show me how it's done. Whoa! You got a bit of shadow now.
Yeah, that's alright.
A bit alright, isn't it?
Have to put it up there, that's quite hot. Should we get another egg in there?
Two. Oh, lovely.
Just a little bit of olive oil to loosen it up a little bit. I always put the olive oil in afterwards, that's what I learned. And we need a bit of seasoning. Seasoning is very important in your cooking now. A bit of salt.
Oh yeah, it's great.
Just a little bit of pepper, not too much. Just to make it look nice and fancy. I think we need to turn the heat up a bit. That's good. It's starting to cook now, guys. As you can see, it's starting to cook. Scramble those eggs.
20 minutes later.
Well, as you can see, it's actually starting to cook now. It's taken a very long time.
We have been out here twice.
About 25 minutes.
It's been a while.
But we are getting there slowly. Okay, this is another 10 minutes on. We've now been outside for 35 minutes. And they're actually starting to cook. I think what we'll do is we'll cook these first, because the pan's obviously going to be really hot. And then I think we'll try the bacon. I think the exhaust is probably the hottest.
Yeah, there we go. I think it's actually burning.
Okay, 45 minutes later. I think they're ready.
They look ready. They look ready.
Should we bring in our lovely assistant Josh? Josh, would you like to hold that out?
Our bodybuilder who needs to hold the plate.
There we go.
Look at that. He needs that protein. He needs it. Lovely.
We also thought it'd be important to tell you at this point we're not even going to bother with the baking. If it's taken us nearly an hour to cook scrambled eggs, it's not worth it. So, here we are. The world's most expensive scrambled eggs.
The world's best scrambled.
You're not going to eat this, are you?
It looks horrendous, so no.
They're actually really nice. Try.
It's not bad actually. Bit cold. Now it's
A bit cold.
It's like 0 degrees.
Right guys, so to conclude, if you want to cook some scrambled eggs, you can cook them on a Ferrari. It will take you over an hour, and they taste quite nice. I think they're very nice because I cook them, and it does work. The bacon, don't bother. The rest of the full English, don't bother. I'm a little bit thirsty, aren't you?
What about the OJ?
Have they got juicy bits?
Naturally.
Open that OJ up. Whilst he's doing that, guys, again, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.
after you've just.
Take care, guys.